Welcome to Flavors of Genova, where we discover the culinary tradition of the city, one bite at a time.
If you really want to understand Genovese food, don't start in restaurants, start here. This is Mercato Orientale di Genova, the Genova open market where generations of Genovese in the last century come for shopping vegetables, fruit, meat, fish, everything they need for cooking.
Mercato Orientale opened at the end of the 19th century, and despite supermarkets and online shopping, it is still part of everyday life for many Genovese families. One of the things I love most about this market is that it changes with the seasons. In spring, you'll find fava beans, artichokes, and asparagus. Summer brings tomatoes, trombetta zucchini, apricots, and peaches. Autumn fills the stalls with mushrooms and chestnuts, while winter is the season for cabbages, pumpkins, and citrus fruits. And those stalls tell an important story. Although Genova is famous for its sea, traditional Ligurian cooking was shaped just as much by the valleys and the hills surrounding the city. Every day, vegetables, herbs, and other local products arrive here from the countryside. Of course, you'll also find fish and seafood, including local specialties such as anchovies. But the market reminds us that Ligurian cuisine is much more than a cuisine of the sea. It is the result of a meeting between coast, countryside, and mountains. Beyond vegetables and fish, you'll also discover local cheeses, cured meats, spices, and candied fruits, reflecting centuries of trade and cultural exchange. And then there is basil. If there is one ingredient that immediately tells you are in Genova, it is this one: huge bunches of basil on the stalls. Because basil is the art of pesto, Liguria's most famous sauce.
If you want to discover the market beyond the stalls, join one of my market day cooking class, where we shop seasonal ingredients before we transform them in wonderful Ligurian dishes.
A small kitchen in Genoa, recipes and food stories in the Italian Riviera.